Streetlights glow on the corner of Main. We're swaying slow in the warm summer rain. Your arms around me, pulling me near. The scent of your skin chases away my fear. People pass by, they stop and stare, whisper we're crazy, but I don't care. Let them talk, let them never understand. I'm right here, tasting rain from your hand. We're the ones dancing where no one's around, hearts beating loud to this silent sound. They call us insane, but baby it's sane to feel this music like sweet summer rain. A faint violin singing between our souls, caressing soft notes that make us whole. Lost in your eyes where the colors all blend, forever in dreams where the senses don't end. Forevermore, forevermore. Cool drops on my face, but your touch is fire. Every slow turn, the rhythm takes us higher. I hear our song in the whisper of night. Your breath on my neck, everything feels right. I don't see them, I don't hear a word, just you and me in this world we've stirred. Let them judge, let them walk on by. I'm living for us under stars in the sky. We're the ones dancing where no one's around, hearts beating loud to this silent sound. They call us insane, but baby it's sane to feel this music like sweet summer rain. A faint violin singing between our souls, trembling with love as the feeling grows. Lost in your eyes where the colors all blend, forever in dreams where the senses don't end. Forevermore, and if the world says we're losing our minds, I'll keep on dancing, leaving doubts behind. Right here with you, the melody plays and touches and tastes that set my heart ablaze. We're the ones dancing on the corner of Main, the only ones free in this sweet summer rain. They'll never know what we feel in our hearts. This love is the music.